So in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the stock exhaust on the 2014 CB500X with this Leo Vince GP Corsa slip-on. So first things first, remove the old exhaust, the old muffler, and you have two bolts here. I'm using a 12mm socket and a 12mm wrench. Loosen that up a little bit. And the other one is down here. And then there's a bolt here. Loosen that up. Simple as that. Okay, so some quick tips before we do this is it's always good to just clean that out if you can. And then this thing is like the hardest to put on with the whole slip-on kit. And as you can see, what I did was I'd go around one side putting it on, and then I'd have a flathead screwdriver and I'd put a little bit on at a time and then twist tie it. And put a little bit more on at a time, twist tie it all the way till I got to the end. That way it doesn't fall off, because it's pretty frustrating if you don't do that. Okay, so it's time to install the new muffler. So we're going to take this piece here and this piece here and then line it up like that. Alright, get pretty snug. Make sure you're wearing gloves because you'll transfer fingerprints onto this, and then when it heats up they'll kind of be permanently stuck on there, so you don't want that. So try to wear some gloves when you're doing this. The adjustable side's out towards you so you can adjust it. Slide it on like that. I got a 5mm Allen key to tighten it. We'll just snug it up a little bit at first until we get this where we want it. So now we're going to use a 13mm socket and a 6mm Allen key for the next part. And what we have is this going in through there, and they give you these spacers. If you need them, there's two of them included. I'll just use one, and that goes on the back. So we'll kind of line that up where we want it. Oh, not my glove. Push that through. And tighten that. Alright, looks pretty good. Back to our 5mm here. And our 12. Actually, we just need the 5mm. Tighten that up nice. Alright. We'll go back, finish this. This feels a little loose down there. Alright, there it is. See how it sounds. Alright, last thing before I forget is to get this spring on here, and they include this little hanger tool to help you out. So you hook it on there. Alright. This is the stock exhaust. Alright, now this is going to be the GP Corsa slip-on without the baffle in. Finally, with the baffle in, Alright, so that's the Leo Vince GP Corsa slip-on for the Honda CB500X. I think it's an improvement in every single way. Okay, I'll give you one last look at it here. Alright, see you in the next video.